Hey, do you know when the market's going to change? This is the million-dollar question that everybody wants an answer to, and well, hopefully the answer I'm about to share is going to help and shed some light on this for you. Welcome to Let's Get Frank About Real Estate. I am Frank McManus with LaMacchia Realty, and in 2021 alone, prices increased 19%. So that means that if you bought a home in early 2021 and put 20% down, you'd have roughly almost 40% equity in that home by now. Now, over the last 2 years, we definitely have experienced a ton of stuff. A global pandemic, the start of an overseas war, the start of a possible historic inflation, a logistics crisis, ridiculously high food and gas costs, the lowest level of available homes in history, along with the highest level of buyer demand in history. That's not bad for a 2-year stretch. And that brings us to, when is the market going to change or cool off? And the quick answer is that we're already starting to see signs of it happening. Now, with real estate being a supply and demand industry, you can't have a crash on any level when demand grossly outweighs the supply. But the good news is inventory levels today are 17% higher than 3 months ago, with homes sitting on the market slightly longer and receiving slightly less total number of offers to compete with. And with the recent rise of interest rates now touching 5%, people's buying power has contributed to this curve in the total number of days homes are sitting, as well as with the lower number of overall offers that some are receiving. Now, all that said, home prices are still predicted to increase by 10% in 2022, yet even with the price jump and with the rate increase, you should not sit and wait for a fallout, as you may end up waiting a long time. But the market has definitely seemed to have downshifted from 6th gear to 4th gear, which should be welcome news to both buyers and sellers, because you too have been nervous and frustrated as well. The change is happening. It's just not happening as fast as you may want it to. And looking ahead, you can expect a few more months of multiple offer situations, prices slightly starting to cool off in the summer and early fall months, and by year's end, we will see an overall price jump in 8 to 10% higher than we did in 2021. So if your goal is to find a new home for yourself in 2022, my advice is to stay proactive before prices go any higher and interest rates continue to climb, forcing you to realize that you may have to adjust which actual price point you can now search in. As always, I hope this helps you. And for more information, or if you have any questions, please feel free to simply DM me or email me at fmcmanus@lamacchiarealty.com. And for more videos like these with helpful info on buying or selling a home, please follow and subscribe to any one of my social media pages. Until next time.